Hi there, Liz here, working in the Liz on Call craft room with another project with Expressions Vinyl and Liz on Call April Mystery Box. Do you have a reader in your family? I do. That's why I wanted to include something for the book lover in the April Mystery Box. Let's create a project just for them. For this project, we're going to be using one of the blank drawstring backpacks as well as an assortment of the heat transfer vinyl that you'll find in the April Mystery Box. I've got my design with my stack of books that says the more the merrier uploaded into Cricut Design Space. I am going to just cut this as is. I did size it to fit my book bag, and you can see all the different layers over here on the layers panel. Make sure when we're working with iron-on vinyl or heat transfer vinyl, which is the case for this project, we turn on the mirror image of our designs. So I'm going to go through all of our different mats and different colors of vinyl that we're going to be using and turning on the mirror image for those designs. I have got everything cut out and weeded, and now I'm going to just like kind of build our design right on to our bag here so that we know which layers go where, and then we can start ironing things on. Now, when you're working with layering iron-on vinyl, I like to just stick everything together, and then you'll know exactly where you want your design to go, if it needs to be a little more centered, a little more straight, whatever. And then you can start ironing that. Ready to hold all of our favorite books. And we even added one of our acrylic bag charms. Check out lizoncall.com for more cut file crafting.